Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel Ratnakar Diaries, and in today's video I'm going to install a sump guard for the Tiger 660. So basically after doing some research I have purchased this product, and in the aftermarket also there are no many options, like 2 or 3 maybe, and I choose this because the main reason is it is cost effective. It is available at the cheapest price in the market. It is basically from Raw Performances from Mumbai. They have developed it. Some premium brands have like SW Mototech and Epco and Baker has the crash guard, but it is very expensive. I think it is somewhere around 20,000 rupees plus shipping, and the import duties and GST all along it will take you around 40 to 50 percentage of the actual value. Okay, let's install now, and more of that, unbox it first. So this is the brand Raw Performances, and it is actually from Mumbai. And they have filled with so much of paper, like this much of paper, man. Seriously? Okay, let's keep the paper here. Just take out the items. And this is the main item, guard. And what else do we have? There's a cover, some nut and bolts, and some screws to fit in. And do we have anything else? Yep, one more thing. I think these are the supports, and nothing much, only a bunch of papers. Okay, packing was good, and this costed me around 7,850 rupees. Epco and Baker and SW Mototech, the price is around 20,000, I guess. I don't remember actually. For that, the shipping charges will be extra, and for the amount, we need to pay import duties plus GST, which altogether will be around 50%, more than 40% extra. If the item price is around 20,000, you need to pay import duties plus GST, altogether around 10k extra for that. So altogether it will be a 30k for you, and this is like cheap one, but the quality is good, I guess. Okay, let's go and fit it to the bike. This bash plate comes in two colors, that is aluminum finish and a black finish. We need to order, and it took me around 20 days to get the product. I think we need to put a paddock here. Here is the hole with the threads, so you can fit the sum guard here. I think maybe Tramp had the plan for the sum guard, but I don't know for what reason they dropped out. This side there are two, and that side there is only one hole. According to that, it has been designed. So let's put the paddock first. This is basically locally made paddock. I have not purchased it. I have made it from the garage. So it is a bit tricky to place it, but I'll try. So if I bought this stand, the best quality, somewhere around it will be at least 3 to 4k. But it has been done in 500 rupees. Sasta maal hai yaar. I think now I need to crawl inside to fit those. Okay, let me try it. Basically, it's up to here. I think here the ground clearance will be reduced by at least an inch, I guess. I don't know. So first place the supports. So these are the supports that need to be fixed. This is the other side where there is only one hole, and these two are this side. It will be placing like this. Like, most importantly, with this cheap one, you won't get the instruction manual. So I'll be just going through the website, and I can find the images how to install there. There will be no instruction manual there as well, but I may get idea of where to install which supports. So these two supports are placed here, but the bigger one at the rear and smaller one at the front. Okay, for 3 holes, there are 3 screws separately given. Just remove those and put it there. Fully tighten it now. After fitting at the end, we'll do it. For the right now, do it same as the other side. So this side, here is the one. It is not so easy to access the screw here. Literally it is here. So I can't place my finger here or from here. Okay, we have to try it like that. Okay, the support has been fixed. Here one and this side two. And here the quality and the paint finish is pretty good actually. And there is a branding here with the metallic one, raw. So when I try to tighten this, the bolt from the nut from the back side is also rotating. So now I need to hold the spanner there. And especially this side, it's been too tricky to tighten the upper part, so the upper screw. But somehow we have to do this now. Only this is the area I can move the Allen key now. Only this much. And to insert it also, it has been very difficultly placed here. Yeah, the installation has been completed and it looks good and strong. Okay, by the way, let's check the ground clearance now. It was somewhere till here, like 1 centimeter less than the length of the screwdriver. But now, yeah, I guess 1 more centimeter. That's it. That means it will be at 7 to 10 mm down now. I might have missed the speed breaker in 1 centimeter, but now it will be touching here. After installing this, I realized that there are two drawbacks. Number one, ground clearance has been lowered a bit, and number two is when you want to change the oil or drain out the oil in the engine, you need to again remove the sump guard. But still, it is far better than getting it damaged. So once in 16,000 or once in a year, it will be better option to install a sump guard rather than damaging a oil sump. Right now, I'm a bit worried about the ground clearance, but when you're planning to do the roads that are rocky and muddy, like I want to do a lay in August, but I don't know what happens there. Let's hope we'll do the lay ride in August. And it's sunny outside, and I'm sweating like crazy, man. And this is the sum cut. Looks good, man. Maybe yeah, black is good than the aluminum one from the pictures. From the pictures, what I saw in the website, black looks good, but I don't know once it gets dirty, the paint will be removed or paint will be scratched out. I guess so. Now it looks good, decent enough, and even sturdy, very sturdy. So, okay, let's close all the tools and wind it up here. And many more accessories to come. It will be a lined up videos of the accessories only because still brake pads yet to arrive and chain sprocket. So basically Bangalore doesn't have the stock. I got it from Kochi. The I ordered from Kochi, but still I didn't get the package yet. It contains brake pads and frame protectors also. This time I want to install a frame protectors for this. Okay, let's end the video here and bye bye.